Hi everyone, it's Dawn and Samantha, and today we're going to open our Pin Trading Monthly box. Alright, so let's see what we got this month. And again, Pin Trading Monthly, they have several different tiers of plans for you, and they just, I think they offer you a great value for your money. So here we go. You get 10, with my plan I get 10 pins per box. So here we go. Okay, so this is a Disney Quest or Pin Quest pin. I have this one already. It's Captain Hook, and it's got like a secret code or letters or something around the edge, and I know I've asked you guys about it before. So that's this one. What else do we get? Ooh, we got Mulan. I don't have this one. Very nice. Oh, and then we got It's a Small World, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, this is from a mystery box collection, and it's, I believe, the little British boy, if I'm not mistaken, or maybe not. I think it's a little British boy. Or maybe Ireland, I'm not sure. He's got a flower in his hat. Or maybe he's from Denmark? We have no clue. We just like them. And then I believe this is from Wally, but I don't know who that is. Not a clue.
Not a clue.
Yeah, we don't know. So if you guys know, like I always say, let us know in the comments so we know what we've got, because I don't know. It looks like a big gray thing.
that sums it up right.
Yeah, pretty much. Alright. Oh, and this I believe came from a mystery box set, or a pouch. And this is, oh gosh, one of the evil queens, or the evil stepmother, one of those. Alright, next up we have Donald Duck. I know who this is. This is a funny pin because his neck is like stretched out. That doesn't really look like him that much, but yeah, that's definitely Donald. Okay, then we have, we have Olaf. Love Olaf. You can never go wrong with Olaf. He's just so jolly and happy. Okay. Oh, we got more. But wait, there's more. We got, Chip. Cutie Chip. Love him. Why this isn't staying flat? Oh. And then we got the Star Wars one. Very cool, very evil. Don't go to the dark side. And then we have a singing this has got Samantha and me in stitches. A singing rooster. I'm not sure where he's from. I'm so sorry. But yeah, I'm not sure where he's from, what movie. Yeah, that one I'm kind of clueless on.
But if you know who he is from, put it in the comments. Yeah,
let us know in the comments, because I'm not sure who it is. It's a serenading chicken or rooster, so I'm not sure. I'd say Chicken Little, but I know that's wrong. So, but yeah, we're just silly and goofy. You guys know us. Alright, so that sums up this month's box of my Pin Trading Monthlies. So we got, as you can see, a lot of pins in this one box for, I believe, $24 or $29.95. So be sure to check out Pin Trading Monthly. It's a great way to get some awesome pins, and it's a surprise every month. So it's like taking the parks home with you. And yeah, so until next time, we're going to close out. If you like our videos, make sure you give us a big thumbs up and click the like button and the bell to make sure you know when our next videos come out. And just thanks so much for watching. Until next time, take care, guys.